How are you?
Begini ya suaranya.
Hello, how are you?
Feedback ya?
Can you speak English?
Yes, I'm good. Little.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Good, good. Indonesia, most of the girls are very pretty. You look nice. But what are you doing? What are you doing?
Satu ya. Aduh, anak gue bangun lagi.
I'm,
Udah.
I'm from
Udah, ini
Bangladesh.
matiinnya. Aduh.
I'm from
Udah, lo
Bangladesh.
ngomong sendiri aja.
Where did you go? Just are you busy? Pretty girl, are you busy? Sorry?
Welcome, Bang Kim.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy.
But what do you do?
I'm busy.
What do you do?
Atuh ingat tuh sok coba bantu jawab. Aing mah teu bisa ngomongna. Mending ngomong we jeung temboknya.
You can speak English, sister.
No. I cannot speak English.
You try to speak English. It helps.
Yes.
It helps me to
Yes,
understand.
no, yes,
English.
no.
Yeah.
Terus gue pasti jawab, oh yes, oh no.
Are you married?
Dan tuh bantuin jawab,
Are you married?
yes. No, I'm divorced.
Sorry.